Good morning, guys. This is Miss Wilson. I am the happy tutor. I just first of all want to start this video by saying you are very smart. I believe in you. Today we're working on fractions, okay? So we're gonna make it easy so you can understand. And I just want to let you know you're gonna do a great job. All right. So a fraction, first of all, is another word for ratio. Ratio means fraction, fraction means ratio. Okay? Ratio means fraction, fraction means ratio. And a fraction is nothing but a part over a whole or the total number. I'm going to show you what that means in just a minute. But that's out when we're saying fractions, we're saying what's the total number and what's the part on top of it. Okay? So let's jump right into it. So a fraction means ratio, and ratio means fraction. And a fraction is nothing but a whole with a different part, or a part over a whole. All right? So these are some fractions right here to my right hand side. We have the fraction 1/4. So my whole is 4. So I'm going to draw 4. And then the part that needs to be shaded is 1. And I can choose either one of them that I want to shade. And this is 1 of 4, or 1 out of 4. And that's how we do fractions. Okay? So that's the fraction for 1/4. Okay? What's the word for fraction? Ratio. Fraction means ratio, and ratio means fraction. All right, so we did the first one. The second one is 3/5. My total number is 5. So I'm gonna draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this number up here tells me how many I color or how many I shade, and it's 3. So you can color any 3. Let's do it in a different color. 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 1, 2, 3 fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3/5. And this is how we do fractions. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have 6/7. How many circles am I going to draw? The number at the bottom tells me. I'm going to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the number at the top tells me how many I'm going to color. I'm going to color 6 of them. And I can color any 6. I can make polka dots in them. I'm just making them look different. And I'm going to put polka dots in 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So our fraction is 6/7. I have 6 of my 7 circles polka dotted. That's how we do fractions. You're doing good. All right. Let's see. Let's try another number. We have 2/3. 2/3. How many circles am I going to draw? The number at the bottom tells me 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many am I going to color? The number at the top tells me 2 of my 3 am I going to color. And that is 2/3. And this is how we do in fractions. You are doing it. You're doing a good job. All right, let's do the next one. This is a special kind of fraction. I love this kind of fraction. 4/4. Anytime, let me tell you a secret. Anytime you have a fraction and it has the same number at the bottom and the same number at the top, it equals the whole thing being colored, or it equals 1. The whole big old thing is being colored. Okay? So we have 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. So how many circles we're going to draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can use any shape. Miss Wilson is just using circles. Okay? So we're going to color in how many? The number at the top tells me how many to color. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means the whole thing is colored. All of it is colored. So anytime you have the same number at the top and the same number at the bottom, you color the whole thing. Good deal. All right. I got a quick little pop quiz for you. What does the word fraction mean? Ratio. What does the word ratio mean? Fraction. Good deal. You made a 100 on your pop quiz. I told you you were super smart. You did it. All right, let's go to the next one. Now, let's see if, get you a piece of paper, get you a pencil, and see if you can do this by yourself. See if you can beat me doing it. All right? So, the next one is 3/4. Remember, the number at the bottom is how many? Is the total number, and the number at the top is how many I colored. So this time, I'm tired of using circles. I'm going to use another shape. I'm going to go with a square. Or something that looks like a square. So I got 1 square, and we're going to put 4 parts on the inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 squares. That's my total number. How many am I going to color? 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. That is 3/4. You are doing so good. You're doing so good. See if you can do the next one. All right. The next one is 2/4. So we have 2 at the top and 4 at the bottom. Again, I'm tired of using circles, so I'm just going to use another shape. So this time, I think I'm going to draw 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the number at the bottom tells me how many I need to draw. All right. And then, now how many do I need to color? The number at the top tells me. 2. Good deal. 1, 2. And you can color any 2 you want to. Miss Wilson just wanted to color the 2 in the middle. So this is 2/4. Good job. You're doing such a good job. Ooh, guess what? We're about to have another pop quiz. Soon as we get the number, after we do number 8, we're going to have another pop quiz. So you better put your listening ears on. All right. We have the next fraction we have is 5/8. All right. How many circles are we going to have to draw? The number at the bottom tells us. Good. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how many do I have to draw? How many do I have to color? The number at the top tells me how many to color. How many do I color? 5. Good deal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And my fraction is 5/8. Good deal. You're doing a great job. All right, pop quiz. Let's see if you remember. I don't know. Maybe some of y'all didn't remember. What does the word fraction mean? Ratio. Good job. What does the word ratio mean? Fraction. Good job. And all of these are fractions. They're fractions, or we can call them ratios. Okay? Good deal. You're doing such a great job. All right, let's go to the next one. This next one is that special kind of fraction. It has the same number at the top and the same number at the bottom. All right, so that means we're going to do what? Let's see. How many we're going to draw? Circles we're going to draw. 1, 2. How many we're going to color? When you got the same number at the top and the same number at the bottom, that means you color the whole thing. Good job. Look at you doing such a great job. So smart. And this is 2 over 2. That's how you say that fraction. All right. Last one. Last one. All right. The last one is 1/3 or 1 over 3. How many? Let's draw some stars. How many stars am I gonna draw? The number at the bottom tells me 3. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. And how many am I gonna color? The number at the top tells me 1. I'm gonna color this whole stuff. There you go. This fraction is 1/3. Good deal. Good job. You did an excellent job. Let's do that pop quiz one more time. Fraction means ratio, and ratio means what? Fraction. You did a wonderful job. I know that you are so super smart. I just want you to know. Miss Wilson just want to tell you, you did a good job. We just did 10 problems. We just did 10 fractions or 10 ratios. And you did a great, great job. You keep up the good work. You are super, 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 super duper smart. All right. You have a great day. Bye-bye.